Couldn't name your time and day. I got Brosy's back, whatever the situation, with the time and place. I've been working on trusting again, don't know but the time it takes. And I've always been DTP, I've never been CLB like Drake. I can't live a normal life no more. This shit got me wishing I hid my face. I ain't been getting no sleep on a regular. I think it's because of the money I chase. Gotta make sure that everyone eats. Need to put food on my family's plate. When bro should have been in school, he was putting numbers in the sheet. I put all of my heart in my